should give up this theory.
Okay. More questions?
You mentioned about you can't have this theory because it would mean a collapse.
Yeah.
But isn't there a theory by a couple of Stanford guys who say that the universe there's not just one Big Bang. There's a Big Bang and then a collapse. And
Oh yeah. Well, we have lots of the theory to talk about that. Yeah. Maybe 10 years ago, people believed that it could be happen. However, we find evidence that the so-called supernova, the type 2A supernova, give us the information that we are accelerating right now. So the expansion is not slowed down, but it's very, very fast, and faster and faster. So I believe that this theory maybe we cannot use it anymore. Yeah.
More questions?
I have one question.
Yeah.
You mentioned Aristotle says about the linear motion.
Yeah.
When you drop a thing and it goes to the center.
Yes, right.
So that implies that Aristotle believed that the Earth is round. Did he believe that the Earth is round?
He believed the Earth is the center of our universe.
Yeah, but did he believe that the Earth is flat or round?
I think he cannot say that because the space he lives is very small. But even you have the experiments here and there.
How can he say that the thing will move towards the center of the Earth?
Yeah.
If he doesn't know that the Earth is round.
Yes, right.
But he still says that.
Well, maybe
I think Ptolemaios proved that the Earth is round, and I think that may have been before Aristotle's time.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
More questions? Now we've got more time. Now you can keep talking, but then there are no more questions. You still got a couple more minutes to talk.
I got a question.
Yeah.
Using Einstein's theory of space-time, do you think it's possible to use that theory to time travel?
Time travel.
Because you're like...
Oh, yeah, it's a great question. Isn't it? Yeah, people think about the time travel. Yeah, some guys. I wrote a book talk about the time travel because this guy he tried to use a theory that if we can make a motion very fast surrounding motion, then maybe we can go into another time coordinate, then into the time to make the time travel possible. Well, yes, we use the Einstein theory. So this is the Einstein's theory. Sorry. This is the Einstein theory. This is talk about this is the density of the element, and this is the structure of the time and the space. So if we could have a spatial the density of the elements structure, then the time structure and the space structure will have something very spatial, such like the wormhole. Okay, the wormhole is made. You see, this is the space-time. it's not only space, but also is space-time. If you, this is the Earth. Earth is a huge object, so it could change to curve the space-time, but it's not big enough. However, if you can have a big enough one, such like the black hole. Black hole is a very, very huge star. It's maybe 100 times of the sun. Then the curve, it will be very, very
exaggerated.
Yeah. Then if the curve can have to have a path to make a hole contact to other place.
Kind of like this picture here, where if you had the black hole in the center, you could connect down to another space, right?
Well, but
even though that's not what that picture is showing.
It should be happen that because if this is the space, there is a black hole, then it will have a hole here, a curve. However, if you have another object to curve this space here, then the black hole will have a path to the other to make the typo is that okay?
Like a wormhole, tunnel, yeah.
The object will go through the trunk here to another place, and this place is another time. You know, so it makes it happen that the time travel because the time is not is different. Yeah.
Okay. Isn't it a problem to go through a black hole? Doesn't like everything fall apart? I heard like that. If you start dropping into a black hole,
yeah,
like, everything starts to spread.
Yes, right. Yeah.
and then
so
you
yes,
put it together again.
Well,
like,
that's right. So it's only the theory. We can have a theory. Maybe it's true, but however, we can't to explain that.
Can't test it right away.
To test that. Okay. Even if you even if there is a black hole close to our Earth, then you throw something to the black hole, but you couldn't see it in the other place or the other time, so you couldn't prove this theory. So it's only the gain of this.
What basically attracts that? What would trigger that situation? What would make the situation of the Earth falling in the black hole to start that process? What would make it? What would create that situation?
What would we create that situation? Well, to go to the black hole?
Yeah.
Well, according to the calculation, we know the situation if we go to the black hole. As the friends talking,
because
the object will be very, very long, and you will see if you float into the black hole, you will see the time. It looks like fixed. That means you have infinite time to fall into the black hole. So it's very strange, but it's only used. We can know that by the calculation.
So my question is that the Earth falling in the black hole is also kind of an activity maybe that has to do with human, or basically has to do with the Earth itself that would attract the whole Earth falling into that black hole. What would create that situation of the Earth falling in that
It would first, probably the Andromeda galaxy would have to smash into our galaxy, and we'd have to come really close to the center of the Andromeda galaxy. It'd be nearly impossible for the Earth to get sucked into a black hole.
It's in like 500 million.
500, yeah, maybe 5 to 700
Don't
million
worry, Joe,
years
you
from
won't
now.
be
we won't have to worry about the Earth going into a black hole.
All right, because from his explanation, I was, I guess my question on, from what you just said, actually. Maybe, yes, there's possibility of not the Earth falling into the black hole, but then there is a situation, there is something that might cause that to happen. Is there?
Well, maybe it's possible, but I think we don't want to have this happen.
Which not? But then
it's very dangerous.
Okay, that's all the time we have.